Without any main companies, we have enabled our technical team to deal independently from us. So this is a great achievement which we had in 2014, a big project which was done independently and directly with the client. So this is our achievement which has done in Dubai. And a certificate of health certificate was issued to our director Yasin Urula by Alchemy HR Consultancy Abu Dhabi for his entrepreneurship in these 27 years. The Alchemy Business Networking Program, we have participated in Alchemy Networking Program in Abu Dhabi. There we have introduced our company's operation policy and our vision and the values to the other competitor, other companies, other corporate sectors, other people who are seeking the jobs. So it was a very good networking platform. We had an opportunity in March 2014. And we, as our director said, we have opened a new office in Sharjah. Though the office was existed earlier, so we have made a big setup to handle all the corporate work and especially e-marketing and the future developments and the factory coordination. So everything for the big corporate setup we have made in Sharjah, which was opened by our sponsor. And new office also opened in Align, so which has to be furnished and hopefully within a couple of days we will be moving to the new office. And first time we had inaugurated a iftar program. We have started iftar program in the corporate office. And as usual, annual iftar 2014 was held in Align, so which is being conducted in Align every year. Additional Telugu pages we advertised in additional Telugu pages. So every year we do advertise in do our Etisalat. So the 2014 we advertised in Etisalat. Apart from that, we are advertised in Align Business Card Directory for the year 2014-15 directory. And our director met a Swiss delegate in November 2014 in Abu Dhabi, in our Abu Dhabi office. And we had inaugurated e-marketing department which was planned in last year 2013. That was installed from July, was started from July. From there, we got 2 units in installation and 4 units in maintenance. So this is an additional advantage which we have got in 2014. The communication with the other countries has developed compared to the previous years. Saudi Arabia about 125 clients we have approached, and Qatar 125 clients, and Oman 150 to 50 clients, and Kuwait 155 prospective clients. So these prospective clients we have communicated, we have introduced our company, we have sent our profile. Inshallah, we will be expecting the business upcoming years. And we used to update Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn pages actively. Not earlier we used to have presence only. Now actively we presented. So every week or alternate days we start putting our advertisements. We started putting our events. All the information we are providing through the Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. So through them also we started getting the inquiries now. And we participated in China Home Life Fair 2014 in Dubai, which was conducted in the Dubai World Trade Center, which was held 25th to 27th of November 2014. And our director visited Taiwan, as is informed in the presidential address. He visited Taiwan and visited various factories and got the power to have the factory support in future and to improve the material status, everything, the solution we found. And 11 new vehicles we purchased, and spacious accommodation was arranged in 2014. And Engineer Jahir Hussain joined as assistant engineer in the project department in 2014, and Mr. Shahulavid joined as accounts department, which will give out the accounts now. And Mr. Rizwan joined as technical electrical technician. Mr. Venugopal joined as maintenance technician. And Mr. Arif Pacha joined as driver. So these are the newcomers in 2014. And the planning future in 2015 and ahead. So we have long-term plan up to 2020. We have already projected. Everything was presented in front of our executives. So that has to be taken care and that has to be put in attention for the development. Around by 2020, we will be capable of signing 425 units annually worth of 43 billion. So that is the project we have for 2020. Inshallah, we will work towards that. And to obtain ISO certification, priority should be given. We have already started the formalities that has to be completed. completed by 2015. That will be our target. And cost cutting, we have to seek various measures, various parameters to reduce our cost. So that has to be done in 2015. And our research and development already they have started their procedures. So we will streamline the procedure to develop ourselves. Dealing with the GCC countries, so need to set up procedures and guidelines to enter on the GCC market. As we decided last year, so we will start regulating, we will start communicating with the GCC countries. So that we have started this year. For upcoming years, we have to make our presence, especially in GCC. We can see 41.4%. The construction sector itself is growing. So we will have to concentrate in this sector and improve it. To concentrate on the Expo 2020 projects, if you can see here, so there are various projects which are going on with respect to the Expo 2020. From this, so our percentage of share, our segment, we will have to separate and have to concentrate in that. So for that, if you can see in the previous annual meeting, 2013, we used to say 35 billion projects will be upcoming. So that was presented in front of the factory people as well. Out of 35 billions, already 22.2 billion projects already implemented. It has been started now. So that we could see practically on the Shiksar road and the Albain road, and we can see on the Old Emirates road. So these roads we can see. So we will have to focus on that based on our segments. And group of buildings and villas, the community kind of buildings, it has been developed. So we will have to concentrate in that. 6,359 housing units have been approved recently, about 15 days back by the government, Abu Dhabi government, to make it in Abu Dhabi. So in that, mostly the elevators are coming up. So we'll have to have the special attention in this area. So our presence in the market also will improve. Inshallah, upcoming years will be best years for us. The corporate report for the next year will be better and best for our performance as well. Thank you very much.